This is the black snake experiment attempt 9. And what you need for it, if you're using a very small container like we're using this container, make sure it won't light on fire and make sure that you have sand in it. And then what you do with the sand is you take charcoal lighter and put it in the sand, and then you take some lighter fluid and put it around where you're going to put your mixture. And your mixture will be about 4 teaspoons of powdered sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And once you have that done, take your mixture of it and put it in the middle. Make sure you have parental supervision and safety goggles when you do this experiment. And then you can add like a little pinch more underneath it, so light on fire there. And then you light it on fire. Even if it doesn't turn into a huge snake, you can see that it is a chemical reaction, and that you can see little bitty snakes forming up because of it. When the baking soda is heated to a temperature by fire, like a certain temperature, the carbon dioxide starts to make it grow and like turn into a snake. Fire is the really hot temperature that is speeding up this process. Not really fast, but kind of faster than it would have gone if it wasn't a hot temperature. You can see that it's a chemical reaction from the way it is growing, and with the fire, when the fire is lit, how all this stuff grows. Pause the video shortly because we didn't want this video to be too long. But as you can see, fire is starting to go out, but it has grown a lot from that little piece of baking soda and powdered sugar with some lighter fluids to this big ashy kind of substance. So this is a chemical change when it all mixes together with the fire, and the temperature helps it to form into this. When it is a high temperature, it increases, and as you can see, it is still going, even though the fire is kind of going out. Mama, oh my gosh! paused this video a few times, but it's been about like 13 minutes. And I don't think it's gonna grow anymore, but it has grown a lot since we've done it. And this is the black snake. Usually it gets bigger, but I don't think we can get it any bigger. This is a chemical change, because when the fire is mixed with all the lighter fluids and the baking soda and the powdered sugar, the heat makes the baking soda grow with a certain temperature with the carbon dioxide, and it starts to form an ashy kind of black snake.